coffee.
Thank you.
We didn't have enough milk to do the full latte thing, so
yeah,
it's pretty dark. The strong one.
Use a little water.
Why Brian heats up more water for his coffee because we didn't have enough cashew milk for our beautiful lattes I was making. I want to show you all our beautiful campsite. So we are in Leavenworth, Washington right now. This is where Brian and I got married. It's one of our favorite places in pretty much the whole entire world, if not, yeah, definitely in the top 5 for sure. Got our lounge chairs, hammock, great working table. It's always great when you get one of those. Can't have fire, so none of that. So we've had this amazing little swimming hole for the past couple days, and it's gorgeous. A little smoky out per everything in Washington, but not as bad as it was in Idaho. Such a beautiful morning out. I'm gonna see if Brian wants to come down here to have our morning coffee. I have my herbal coffee. Brian has his regular coffee. See if he wants to come down here. Join me. Hey B.
Yeah.
You want to drink our drinks by the river?
Yeah, let's do it.
Cool. So while we love this place so much, sadly we have to leave today because it is the end of van life for a little bit for us as a couple because Brian is leaving. We'll tell you more about why he's leaving, but first we really just want to make the most of this day and also show you one of the coolest, kind of oddest cities in America, the Bavarian village of Leavenworth, Washington. So we're going to share that with you today and just not really think about Brian leaving quite yet. Leavenworth is located in central Washington and it's right in the heart of the Cascades. So there's a ton of hiking that you can start off right from going up Icicle Road here. And it's absolutely gorgeous because you really do feel like you're in the Alps. So sometimes when you come here, if you're lucky, they'll be playing music and we hear some right now, so.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna try and see if one of the only places here that serves like healthy food is open. It's called the Local Yoko and I'm really hoping it's open. Smoothie? Are you gonna get anything, B? Do you want a juice or anything?
I'll do a smoothie.
What kind do you want?
Strawberry, pineapple, banana.
If you like handmade goods, we found that instead of being on Main Street, the best street to find like little kind of trinkets, and there's like an amazing plant store, which we're gonna go into next, is go to 9th and Commercial Street. And there's this place which has smoothies and juices, which is like the only place probably in Leavenworth you'll get healthy stuff. And then there's a plant store, and then also another place called, what is that place called that we always like? Posy? Has like little handmade goods and wares, which is really cool. Thank you.
Nice.
Yee.
Oh yeah. Very good. Oh, that's a cutie.
So one thing about living in a van is I wish we had way more plants, but we can't fit all that in.
So that was a nice day in Leavenworth. Hot as hell. I think it was about 100 degrees, wasn't it?
It's too hot.
It was way too hot. But I realized, haven't told you where I'm going. Well, first we're at the laundromat, but I'm getting my job back and going back on tour for just a little bit, and gonna leave Crystal with the van for a little bit. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a year and a half. But
I can't believe you're
gonna go back
to
and
work.
gonna go back and see what happens.
See what happens. Hopefully keep your job.
Yeah, hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully nothing happens.
Hopefully nothing happens and the concerts keep going.
But this does not mean that we're stopping our YouTube channel by any means.
No.
You're only going to be gone for, well, a short while.
Yeah,
but
just a little bit. We'll keep videos going.
yeah, our videos will keep going, but I'm going to try making a video by myself to see how solo van life, female van life goes. So that video will probably take me a couple weeks to edit because Brian does all that.
You're gonna edit by yourself?
I'm going to try.
Wow. Okay. Cool. I want to see this one.
Hey!
All right, to the laundromat.
So while Brian is doing his laundry, I'm gonna make us our last supper. And it's so hot over here that I think I'm just gonna do a nice little salad. We have so many greens and stuff like that. So just a nice little salad, maybe a glass of wine, who's to say, for dinner together.
Well, laundry's all done, and now it's all kind of sinking in. I'm going back on tour. Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's been a year and a half since I've toured with anyone, besides me and Crystal. And feels weird. Feels foreign. I'm sure it'll be like riding a bike as soon as I get back. It'll be just like old times, but yeah, it's gonna be weird not being in the van for a while with Crystal, and yeah, it's all kind of sinking in right now. I guess I'm gonna pack my bags right now and chill out for the rest of the night.
So while Brian is gone for a while, I'll be by myself in the van, which Brian does a lot of the chores for the van, where I do the cooking and other things. Brian does the toilet, which I hate doing. The getting water, like all that stuff. And I'm not a great parker. Don't like parking the van. I actually really don't like driving it that much. And I don't really know what I'm gonna get into, so it should be interesting. So I'm gonna make a video about it. So for all of you out there that are contemplating solo female van life,
Like, do I like van life?
you'll
Find out, babe.
yeah, you'll find out how this goes for me. Given I do have a little leg up in this because Brian has showed me a few things, but I don't really know how to go. And I'll be by myself, which I'm an introvert. I actually really like time alone. Sorry, B. I think it's gonna be weird not having you around. We're always together, like always. Even when we go to the bathroom.
Pretty much.
Right next to each other.
All the time.
If any of you are van lifers out there, you're in the Pacific Northwest area, let me know what you're up to. Might need friends. I don't even know if I'm going to stay in the Pacific Northwest area, but we shall see. Good morning, everyone. After dinner last night, we just got place to stay. Decided to snuggle up for our last night, but it is super early in the morning. It's like not even 4 a.m. Getting ready to head out to the airport right now. Tired? How you feeling, B?
Yeah, tired.
Got like a few hours of sleep, but
Yeah.
you got first class. You got bumped up to first class.
Yeah. It's exciting. I love you. Bye, baby.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
So I just dropped B off at the airport, and I'm excited for him. Excited because I know he does have fun doing his job, and it'll be cool for him to see, friends and stuff like that. But on the other hand, I feel really bummed because for about a million reasons, actually. But he's my partner, my best friend, and we've been together every day, and just to not have him here feels really weird. Like part of me is not quite complete. And that sounds so weird to say out loud, but it just is like part of my other half. Like I totally get what people meant when I was younger and they were like, my other half is gone. And that's exactly how it feels. And I'm gonna do my best to stay busy, but it kind of just really sucks not having me here.